how he's grown and has become this legendary, really successful singer, Arijit.
Arjit.
I've known how much he struggled to be very much a Vidwan himself.
Okay. Who are singers that you really enjoy listening to? Like among your contemporaries?
Most definitely Shreya and Suniti, both of them, right? Because Shreya, I think I really admire the fact that she gets the language right. Both her, Sonu ji, the pronunciation and the language, whichever language that they sing in. But I think as a person, because I also know him personally, I love how he's grown and has become this legendary, really successful singer, Arijit.
Arjit.
Arijit recorded me when he was working with Preetham sir for Rang Sharbatonka.
Oh.
So I was like, he was teaching me the song. I was like, you sing very well. How come you're not singing? I said, नहीं चिन्मयी जी आप तेरे बिना ना बहुत सही गाया आपने. I'm like हाँ पर आप क्यों नहीं गा रहे हो? So नहीं नहीं आएगा time आएगा or something he said I think. And nothing about him has changed from then to the guy who was standing in front of me, in front of the mic, while I was the playback singer singing Rang Sharbatonka. And then Mithun's song happened, and the rest is history. And from the bottom of my heart, I've not been more happy for somebody as I have been for Arijit's growth because I've known how much he struggled to be who he is today. He's a learned musician. He's a tayyar musician as they call it. He has learned music. He has done the work. He is very much a vidwan himself,
Okay.
and so in touch with I think the higher power. I think the music flows from a higher space. He comes from a place of purity, and he's a nice guy. I don't say nice guy. I'm not handing out good man certificates to anybody really, but I would definitely say that Arijit is a safe guy, and which is why I want men like him to be successful and more and more and more successful, so that the bad guys automatically get erased. That's my wish. So the good men should win,
Yeah.
and Arijit should win and continue to win.
You have also sung songs with Arjit. No? I
Yeah,
think Mast Magan is.
Mast Magan is one. There is one in 24 Nanu Nariginile, one song that I sang with him. There is another Hindi song also. We both got to sing together in this. क्या है? Something. It's a lovely classical song though. अरे, something Karaja. Never mind. Sorry.
Okay.